How to sign up for PrizePicks without ID verification. First, you have to go to PrizePicks.com here and simply click on sign up button. Then from here, you will go through 5 steps. The first step is you just need to enter your email. You just need to enter your active email. Then if you have any promo code, then you can use it here, or you can get one from them, the PrizePicks. And then after completing these steps, after entering the email, you can click on continue button. Then the second step is enter your full name, first name here, and then you just need to enter the last name here. After entering your name, simply click on continue. Then you have to choose your date of birth from here. The first one is month and the second one is date here. You just need to select your date and the year from here. From this drop down you will find the year, then simply click on continue. Then the fourth step is enter your address. Make sure you have entered a valid address, and PrizePicks is legal in your location or in your country. Then enter the address here, then click on continue button. Now the last step to sign up a new account is set a password. Your password must contain at least one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. Then must be at least 8 characters long. Then simply click on this box and click on create account. As soon as you log in or sign up for a new account, then they will ask you for verify your information or identity. If they ask for your SSN number, the last 4 digit of your SSN number, then they will ask for your ID, a valid ID that issued by your government after entering the SSN number. And that's the verification process from PrizePicks. But you just need to simply click on this cross icon at here, and you just need to avoid these steps. But remember that if you don't verify your account, then you can deposit or withdraw any type of money from PrizePicks. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.